Welcome to Crespe. Today we bring to life one of our favorites, our signature chicken and cheese crepe, a warm, indulgent dish, effortless to prepare. Step 1. Place a non-stick pan on low heat. Add a little butter and let it melt gently. Step 2. Take the crepe straight from the freezer. No need to thaw, no defrosting. Just place it directly onto the pan. Step 3. Raise the heat to medium. Cook until the bottom turns a rich golden brown. Step 4. Flip gently. Let the other side cook until it's golden too. Thin, delicate, and just the right amount of crisp. Step 5. When the crepe feels soft and the filling inside is warm and tender, it's ready. And that's it! Your gourmet chicken and cheese crepe is ready! Serve hot. Every bite rich, savory, comforting, and unforgettable. Crespe, Savoury Crepes, homemade crepes. Taste the tradition, feel the finesse.